What's going on, King?
Just smog shit.
What'd you call me?
Bitch, what'd you say?
Hey, what you doing, Jesse?
A whole lot of fucking dumb shit.
Is that a 2J?
Yeah.
Hey.
LS for this.
Damn, you enjoy pull up on a bitch, bro. Bro, I haven't seen this thing in a week and now it's just shit's lowered.
Yep.
Bro, that shit's savage. Damn, Leo spent no time. Sheesh, okay, okay.
Is this shit running?
Yeah, this shit's quiet.
Oh shit! Again? Why are you squirting everywhere? Already.
Damn, this thing's quiet. Damn, is that a fucking 2J, dog?
4-door Supra, pretty much.
Technically, it's a 4-door Subaru.
Technically.
Damn, Leo, you went on a mission for some coilovers or what?
Yep, fat mission.
How long did it take you?
Fuck, 2 hours to get there,
Shit.
3.5 hours to get back because traffic.
Where was it?
Long Beach area, Commerce.
Oh, and you got hella traffic on the way
Yeah.
back? Damn.
Bo's over here woke up at like 11.
Oh, Jesse made you guys run late?
Yeah.
What a fucking dick.
What a fucking scumbag.
What a piece of shit. Hey, but this shit looks sick, bro. What kind of coils are they?
GX300 Magic, Japan or something
Oh
like that.
shit. Good deal on them or what?
Yeah.
How's it ride?
It's pretty good.
Well, it looks pretty good.
I'm down.
Oh my god, I'm surrounded by Lexuses. Oh my god, oh my god. What am I gonna do?
Water and degreaser.
Did I trade those 18s right now?
Right now?
Those Lexus?
Damn, that shit looks sick.
Gas.
Damn, bro, 3 Lexuses mobbing? Bro, I feel cool right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I feel dope as fuck right now, bro.
His shit looks good because he has a camber in the back.
Yeah, Joey's shit does look good.
I'm trying to get no camber in the back for Middleton now.
Savage one, yeah, bitch. Don't hit me up like that. You don't know me. Yeah, no, I don't.
Well, these are the wheels. He's debating on swapping out for those. But they're staggered and one of the tires is really bad. What do you guys think?
I don't know.
You think you should stay with those or these?
Just stay with those. He's gonna
Can't
get
tuck 17, so I'm gonna have to say those.
Yeah, I mean those do look pretty good. Those are 17s, these are 18s,
I
but
feel like everybody gets a pair of these MCS, no?
I
Or
don't
am I
know.
tweaking?
I don't know. I'm not a Lexus guy, I don't know. Hey, let me see that turning radius real quick. Wow, what a guy. Damn,
you
dude.
can't do it.
You
I can't do it.
Damn, that angle kid's beast, dude.
That shit's fucking my tires up though.
Can't get you out of my mind.
Later, King. Bye. Oh, I fucking hate that guy, bro. Fuck, about time, bro. What is up, guys? So, this video, I'm gonna try to tint my car. Little do you guys know, but we actually attempted this like last week and it was a complete fail, so.
It was a complete fail.
I mean,
but it was ass.
yeah, most of it did come out good. Like, honestly, a lot of it came out nice. It was just the bottoms. The bottom of the film was just not sticky anymore, so it was already like peeling up. But we knew what we did and how we fucked up. So we're going round 2. Got some more film. It was only like $8-9. I got my blade, got a squeegee. I'm about to clean the windows again and should hopefully, honestly I think it's gonna come out good this time because we had like our trial and error with the last one, so we have a better idea of what we're doing now. So Should come out good.
On the outside, right?
Yep. Yes, sir.
25 ladders on my dresser. Yes, sir.
Hurricane Jesse about to pull up right now.
Hey, wait.
Yeah, grab that corner. Should we just put it in?
This one doesn't look hard because everything's out, exposed.
Tint is on. Ain't too bad.
Hey ladies. Hey ladies, you see my boy's steady hands? I don't know.
I'm gay.
Alright guys, so this came out way better than last time we attempted. I mean, it's not perfect. It has its flaws, but
Hella flaws.
it does its job. And it look
Cause I'm
tripping, oh, stumbling, oh. But guys, look at it. It looks fucking, it looks good. Our problem on the last one was that literally the bottom was starting to peel up and what? So yeah guys, I mean, it looks good. Literally took like 20 minutes, so I fuck with it. The rear window, I don't think I'm gonna have to do it because once the side windows are tinted, it's gonna make it look a lot darker in the inside. So yeah, plus this rear window would be a bitch. Trying to do that from the inside, barely any space. Hey Marcel, remember when we replaced the soft top?
Nope.
And trying to get back here?
I sure don't.
Imagine trying to tint this rear window.
Honestly, it won't be that hard, bro. You down?
From the inside?
Yeah, bro. We'll just like, you still got the saw blade? We'll just cut the headrest off and then fucking, when we're done, just plastic weld it back on.
Yeah, that's true.
You don't have to, bro.
I didn't think about that. I mean, we could do that.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, no, I feel you, bro. I mean, we might as well.
Alright, so I'm putting on the second window now.
Ass. We gotta do it. We gotta redo it.
Really?
Well, I would like to. Oh, okay.
I can tell by the way you squeegee that, Marcel. I can tell.
Look at night, bro.
Oh. Oh, what is that? Sheesh. Oh, dude, I didn't see you there. Sorry, I'll leave you alone. Alright guys, so this window came out way nicer than the other, and we have enough material extra, so we're just gonna redo the driver's side. Not too shabby. I just stay in there. I wanna see you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, my boy just aired out on the block. Hey, you good? Alright guys, this side. Dude, you good? Alright guys, so this side came out way cleaner. I'm glad we decided to redo it.
I'm infected.
I'm not.
Nigga, what the fuck are you doing? Fuck.
Who invited him?
Fuck.
Hey, you good?
Can you just leave?
Wow, hey. Be nice.
No one likes you here.
Get shut the fuck up. Get back in the. Excuse my friend. He has issues at home.
I have the bag virus.
Get the fuck back.
I have the bag virus.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Can I see it one more time?
Oh wait, sorry.
All right, now drive off like that.
Nah, 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 I heard it. I heard it. Hey, Leo. Bro, he can't be coming around here like that, bro.
Oh, we have a 240 over here. Oh, oh, oh. Damn, this thing's clean. Super nice, super nice. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like.
Yes.
Leo's in there. It's 5%. Can't see shit. So there's a few imperfections, guys, but I mean, for doing it ourselves, it really didn't even take much time. The roll is only $8, so I consider that a dub. I consider that a big dub.
Hey, some fools pay $180 for it to look just like that.
For real.
He said,
I mean, we had our trial and error with the past film, but I mean, for our second time, technically 16 bucks in.
Bro, take
Not bad.
Take your wheels.
Tint my wheels?
Blackface.
Show me how it looks.
Blackfaces are ugly, bro. I hate blackface.
You know what?
Fred.
If I fuck with it.
That shit went a lot lower, bro.
Yeah. That shit did settle, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, fucking Leo, bro. Quick ass come up. Yeah, for real, dude. For being stockies, 17 inches wide, that's just pretty sick.
Slammed on stockies. Slammed on stockies.
Dude, for 17-inch stockies, bro, that shit looks fresh.
Hella.
Quick ass come up, bro.
Life.
How long? It was stock high for like what? Just like a week, 2 weeks?
No, 3 weeks. But the week I was driving it, maybe a week.
Yeah,
I've
cause
only had it for like what, a month?
yeah, cause most of the time you didn't have the key, right?
No.
Yeah.
I
So.
just started driving like 2 weeks ago.
Damn, this shit's fresh. Whoa, whoa, bro, hey, are you good? Yo, what the fuck? Hey, fucking asshole, yo,
With the right dude,
yo, bro, yo. Yo, you good?
Oh, my fucking elbows.
Hey, my fucking sweater dirty.
You rolled like 10 times.
I know.
Alright guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you fuck with how the car looks. It's looking so good. And I don't even think I've showed the wheels that you bought for it.
No, I don't think you did. I kind of
Sheesh.
just bought them and threw them in my room.
What are you waiting for? Just tires for them?
No, I want to rebuild them.
Oh, okay, I feel it. So yeah, these aren't even for now, guys. He already has wheels for it. So yeah, guys, he bought these, some low-end hearts. He wants to rebear them.
Yep. I want to paint. I don't know if I'm a powder coat, paint the faces white. And probably, my goal is to do like a 10 in the front, 10 wide, or an 11 in the rear. I don't know. I would have to
Yeah.
camera it the way I wanted,
Yeah.
and measure and do all that shit.
How much inch lips you want?
Probably like 4 in the front, 5 in the rear.
Yeah.
I still gotta
Do the
all that.
measurements?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel it. That's a lot. Damn, it's gonna look fucking sick though, dude. Sheesh. These rebarrel guys, it's gonna go on that. Just imagine the vision. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. And if you guys haven't recognized anything different, let me just I'll give you guys a few seconds. There's that car. There's that space. There's this space. And just a GS. Anything missing?
Something silver, I think.
Something silver? I don't know. So yeah, Civic's gone, but this shit's already coming out dope as fuck. This is a build he wanted since forever, so it's already looking good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end off the video right here. So this video was a quick dub. Did 10 on that, and I got to see this thing, so it's looking nice. Looking very nice. Very nice.
What the fuck? Isn't that shit from like a meteor?
Guys, hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. I've been trying to upload more vlogs. Like I said, we tried to vlog that before and it was a fail, but we got it this time. And yeah.
We've been getting a lot of rain too.
Yeah, we've been getting a shitload of rain. This weather's been crazy. I know you guys have been feeling it too, but yeah, it's gonna rain like at least several more days this week, so we're trying. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I'm ending off the video right here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Later guys. Also real quick, these stickers are now up on the website. Later.